A very good morning to all of you. Reddy Garu, Chakravarti Garu, Gautam Reddy Garu, and all my other colleagues on the distinct people on the dais, and of course, the elite of the industry before us. I only have a couple of points to make. One is that as we are growing as a nation, we are getting more and more value-added products. And we cannot have value-added products unless we are able to properly pack it, and which is what your people are doing. And also, what I'm very happy about to note is that all of you have the right ideas as how packaging cannot be a burden on the environment. And you're looking at alternate materials and how to recycle materials, etc., which I think is the right way to go. And I think that we are lucky in India that we have people like you who are running this sector, who are not looking at what was history, what is yesterday, but looking forward to what's tomorrow. And I think that is a great way for a sector to grow. I wish this sector all the very best and success to all. And thank you all for being here with us. Thank you.